In a little while from now, if I'm not feeling any less sour, I promise myself to treat myself and visit a nearby tower. Climbing to the top will throw myself right off in an effort to make it clear to whoever what it's like when you're shattered, left standing in the lurch at a church where people are saying, "My God, that's tough." She stood him up. No point in our remaining. We might as well go home, as I did on my own, alone again, naturally. And to think that only yesterday I was so cheerful, bright and gay, looking forward to, well, who wouldn't do the role I was about to play? And as if to knock me down, reality came around, and without so much as the slightest touch, cut me into little pieces, leaving me to doubt. Talk about God and His mercy, who, if He really does exist, why did He desert me in my hour of need? I truly am indeed alone again, naturally. It seems to me that there are more hearts broken in this world that can't be mended, left unattended. What can we do? What can we do? Now looking back over the years and whatever else that appears, I remember I cried when my father died, never wishing to hide my tears. And at 65 years old, my mother, God rest her soul, couldn't understand why the only man she had ever loved had been taken from her, leaving her to start with a heart so badly broken. Despite encouragement from me, no words were ever spoken. And when she passed away, I cried and cried all day, alone again, naturally. Alone again, naturally. I was alone again, naturally. Alone again.